What's the meaning of colostomy? Colostomy. Colostomy.
Colostomy. Colostomy. Colostomy is a surgical procedure that involves creating an opening in the abdominal wall through which a portion of the colon is diverted and brought to the surface to form a stoma. The stoma serves as an alternative exit for waste products from the body, allowing them to be collected in a disposable pouch outside the body. Colostomies are often performed as a treatment for certain medical conditions that affect the digestive system, such as colon cancer, inflammatory bowel disease, or diverticulitis. The procedure can help alleviate symptoms, improve overall health and quality of life, and may even be life-saving in some cases.